Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Turn off AirPods and remove power sources before you attempt to remove broken tips. Work over a flat, clean surface and use strong lighting so you can see small fragments. Lay a soft towel to catch parts and avoid losing debris. Gather tools now: fine tweezers, a thin sewing needle, dental floss, and a magnifier light. Prepare a small dish to hold screws and tips. If the tip barely moves, stop and review the next removal step. Use a thin sewing needle to gently hook and lift the stuck silicone fragment. Insert the needle tip beside the fragment and pull outward slowly to avoid pushing it deeper. Alternatively, form a small loop with dental floss and slide it under the tip to pull straight out. Use fine tweezers only if you can see and grasp the fragment securely. If the fragment resists or sits flush with the stem, stop and seek professional help rather than forcing removal. After removal, clean the nozzle with a soft brush and an isopropyl swab carefully. Avoid flooding the internal speaker area and do not submerge the AirPod in liquid. Inspect the nozzle and mesh for damage and any remaining silicone residue. If the mesh is dented or torn, do not reuse the AirPod until repaired. Fit a new tip by aligning it and snapping it onto the nozzle firmly. Test sound and seal with a quick listen. Replacement tips usually cost about $0 per pair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.